Okay, hi, my name is Megan Hoyt, and I am currently in my last semester of my bachelor's, studying communications with an emphasis in visual design. And so I am actually doing my senior project right now as part of my final semester here. And my faculty mentor, suggested that I vlog, so this is my attempt at vlogging, which I've never really vlogged, much less put it out there for people to see in the world. So we'll see how this goes. I'm kind of thinking maybe like a weekly vlog update. Who knows? I'm not making any promises because it's all new to me and a little bit more time consuming than it probably should be. But so as you can see in the background here, I am creating a geometric dinosaur, it's a Brontosaurus. I really love dinosaurs, and for my senior project, I wanted to do a children's sticker book because my style of design is pretty simple and just clean, and so I figured a children's book would be a good way to go and an easy way to keep things simple. And so this idea is basically a paint by stickers idea. And so each of these individual shapes that you can see I'm making will be an individual sticker that'll be labeled, and they'll be on a separate page, and then the dinosaur will have the outline, and each of the shapes on the dinosaur will be numbered, so they'll match up and they'll put the stickers with their corresponding code or whatever. So this is really interesting. If you have been paying attention to the time lapse, you can kind of see how much things have started to speed up now at this point. I've never ever done anything like this before, and I mean, it seems pretty simple, but it actually turned out to be way more time consuming than I thought. I think just doing the shapes and coloring and stuff ended up taking 3.5 hours, but it was really cool. I think the next one will be pretty fast. You can see the first thing I did was kind of pick a color scheme. I have the colors I picked out on the side over there. You can see when it zooms out, and then kind of just started cutting up the shape using the shape builder tool in Illustrator a lot, and then I used the brush a little bit as well, and then just started playing with colors and stuff. And I'm realizing now that it's turning out to be a lot more advanced than I had originally been intending. So maybe not necessarily a children's book. We'll see how it goes. Still kind of playing around with the ideas, but I'm pretty happy with how this first one turned out. It ended up pretty cool. I'm actually really excited about it. It was really fun. So my next video will probably be showing the numbering and the key and how that's going to work and kind of page layout. So yeah, like I said, my name is Megan Hoyt, and this is my senior project.